I am Raja, lecturer in statistics. Today we have to discuss subject statistics semester 3, unit 1 topic rank correlation. So, finding rank correlation coefficient, the formula of rank correlation coefficient Spearman is given by formula rho is equal to 1 minus 6 into I is equal to 1 to n dA squared by n into n square minus 1. This is the formula of Spearman's. Spearman's given by 1 minus 6 into summation dA square by n into n square minus 1. N is number of observations, dA is deviation. Now, we have to find the limits of Spearman's rank correlation coefficient. Our previous class, rho lies between minus 1 and plus 1 using Cauchy square inequality. Now, we compute limits of Spearman's rank correlation coefficient. Rho is equal to lies between minus 1 and plus 1. So, limits of Spearman's rank correlation coefficient. Limits of Spearman's rank correlation coefficient. So the limits are rho is minus 1 to less than or equal to 1. So rho is equal to minus 1 and rho is equal to 1. The lies between minus 1 and plus 1. First we are going to the formula of rho is equal to Spearman's given by formula. Rho is equal to 1 minus 6 into summation dA square by n into n square minus 1. So rho is equal to exactly 1. This part is 0. So 1 minus 0. The rho value is 1. Now rho is maximum. Summation dA is minimum. Summation dA means xi minus yi. dA is equal to 0. dA is equal to 0. Sometimes xi is equal to yi. xi is equal to yi. That means di is equal to 0. So di is equal to 0. We get rho is equal to 1. Simply rho is equal to 1. Rho is maximum. Summation dA square is minimum. Summation dA square is minimum because xi is equal to yi. There are two types of cases. First one, case 1. Case 1. Case 1, you note that rho is equal to 1 minus summation dA square by n into n square minus 1. Since rho is maximum value, that implies summation dA square is minimum. The minimum of summation dA is 0 because xi minus yi is equal to 0. Therefore, that implies rho is equal to 1. Simply, rho is equal to 1. Already got it. So, rho is equal to 1. Next one, rho is equal to minus 1. So, rho is maximum, summation dA is minimum. Next one, this is case 1. Next we go to case 2. Case 2 means in opposite directions. Rho is minimum, summation dA square is maximum. Summation dA square is, that implies summation dA square is maximum. That implies summation dA is xi minus yi is not equal to 0. Is not equal to 0 means xi and yi is taking, there are two types of positions. One is case 2 cases. Small a, if n is odd, B. If n is even, n is odd and n is even. Odd, you can take it n is equal to 2m plus 1. Even, you can take it n is equal to 2m. If rho is equal to minus 1. So, from 1 and 2, rho lies between minus 1 and plus 1. Okay. Case 2 proof. This is case 1. Now, we go to case 2. Case 2, A, if x and y are taking x and y are taking 1, 2 and so on, n minus 1 n, and y taking reverse n minus 1, 2, 1. Now A, if n is odd number, n is odd means n basically defined 2m plus 1. So n is equal to 2m plus 1. The deviations are xi minus yi. So 2m plus 1 minus 1. 2m plus 1 minus 1, 2m minus 2, and so on. Centrally 0 minus 0, and next one minus 2, 0, 4, 2, 0, minus 2, minus 4, and so on. The even numbers are there, and so on. Last one, 1 minus 2m plus 1. 1 minus 2m minus 1. 1 cancelled, and so on. Brothers, the minus of 2m minus 2 and minus 2m. So, overall, both in summation and square on terms. Summation and squares. Summation means adding. So, adding parts and square parts. 2m square plus 2m minus 2 whole square and so on. 4 square plus 2 square repeated 2 times because 2m whole square, 2m whole square plus 2m whole square minus 2m whole square. Same 2m whole square repeated. So 2m whole square, 2m minus 2 whole square, 4 square plus 2 square repeat 2 times. So 2 into next one 2 into 2m whole square, 2m minus 2 whole square, 4 square, 2 square. Common 2 square. Common 2 square. So 2 square common 1. 4 square, that means 16. 4 common, remaining 2 square, and so on. 2 square common m minus 1 whole square plus 2 square common m square. So sum of first square terms. Sum of first square terms means 4 2's 8. Sum of first squares m into m plus 1 into 2m plus 1 by 6. So this is summation dA square. So m into m plus 1 into 2m plus 1 by 6. Now calculate rank relation quotient rho is equal to 1 minus 6 into summation dA square by n into n square minus 1. We calculate rho is equal to 1 minus 6 into summation dA square value 8 into m into m plus 1 into 2m plus 1 by 6 by n value m plus 1 and again 2m plus 1 whole square minus 1. 2m plus 1 whole square minus 1. Is there? 6 cancelled. 1 minus 8m into m plus 1 into 2m plus 1 by 2m plus 1 2m plus 1 a square minus b square 2m plus 1 plus 1 2m plus 1 minus 1. This is a square minus b square. A square minus b square means a square a plus b 2m plus 1 plus 1 2m plus 1 minus 1. So 1 cancelled. 2m plus 1 2m plus 1 cancelled. So rho is equal to 1 minus 8m into m plus 1 by 2m 2m plus 2 2 common m plus 1 and 2m. So m plus 1 cancel, m cancel. 2 2 4 8 2 times rho 1 minus 2. So rho gives minus. So if n is odd, substitute n is equal to m plus 1 in the division parts, summation squares, we get rho value is minus 1. In case 1, rho value is plus 1. This is Roman number 1. Now, once again, I repeat this, x and y are taking 1 to 1 n minus 1 and n, and y values reverse because since xi is not equal to yi. So reverse their ways. So n minus 1, 2 and 1. So if n is odd, so n general form of odd number is n is equal to m plus 1. Now substitute 2m plus 1 in deviation parts. So first one xi minus yi starting from this last one. So 2m plus 1 minus 1 2m plus 1 minus 1 cancel 2m minus 2 and so on. These are all odd numbers. Sorry, even numbers. So 2m minus 2. So even numbers, that means 4 2. These are positive section. These are negative section. So 4 2 0 and so on, minus 2 minus 4 and so on, minus 2m minus 2 and so on, minus 2. So overall summation dA square. Summation means adding, square means the term of squares. So 2m square and again 2m square. 2m square repeat twice. So 2 common them. So 2m whole square, 2m minus 2 whole square, 4 square, 2 square. Repeat until twice. Then 2 into 2m whole square, 2m minus 2 whole square, plus 4 square, plus 2 square. 2 square common them entire part. 2 square. 2 square common them 1 square, 2 square, plus and so on. M minus 1 whole square, plus m square. The sum of first squares, the formula is given by m into m plus 1 into 2m plus 1 by 6. And rho is equal to 1 minus 6 into summation dA square by n into n square minus 1. So rho is equal to 1 minus simplification. Summation dA square substituting part and n is equal to given 2m plus 1. 2m plus 1 whole square minus 1 square. So 8m m plus 1, 2m plus 1. The simplification part is totally we get rho value is minus 1. So this is section A. Okay. If n is next case 2, if n is odd number, is opposite version. If n is even, if n is odd also, getting the row value is minus 1. If changing the n value, n is even, that is section B continuously. So if n is even, the general form of even number is 2m. So deviations count them xi minus yi. So n is equal to 2m. Now deviations, verify deviations. The deviations are xi minus yi 2m minus 1 2m minus 1 comma 2m minus 1 minus 3, that means 2m minus 3. So odd numbers, general forms of odd numbers, like that. We go to entire minus 3, minus 1, 1, 3, reversely negative portions. So 1 minus 2m minus of 2m minus 1 minus of 2m minus 3 minus of 2m minus 3. Okay, so these are the terms of di's. Next we go to summation of squares, summation di squares. Summation di square means 2 into, so 2 into okay 2m minus 1 whole square and again 2m minus 1 whole square, repeat twice, 2m minus 1 whole square plus 2m minus 3 whole square plus and so on, 3 square plus 1 square. This is the first squares of odd numbers. 2 means repeated twice, so 2m minus 1, 2m minus 1, 2m minus 3, 2m minus 3, minus 3 plus 3. So minus plus minus plus, entire scale 3 1 3 1 minus 1 minus 1. Okay, so entire scale, this is positive section, this is negative section. So first positive section and negative section, repeat plus minus, minus a plus a, squares of minus a plus a square, a square, common a square plus a square, 2a square, that's it. So 2 into 2m minus 1 whole square, 2m minus 1 whole square, 2m minus 3 whole square, 2m minus 3 whole square, 3 square, 3 square, 1 square, 1 square. So 2m minus 1 whole square plus 2m minus 3 whole square plus 3 square plus 1 square. So 2 into 1 square, between missing term 2 square, adding 2 square and so on, 2m minus 3 whole square, 2m minus 2 whole square, 2m minus 1 whole square plus 2m whole square. Adding this entire section, 2 square plus 4 square, 1 square, 3 square, missing term 2 square, missing term 4 square, 2m minus 3 whole square, 2m minus 1 whole square, missing term 2m minus 2 whole square. Adding this section, entire part is 2 square plus 4 square, 2m minus 2 whole square plus 2m square. Now, no change there, entire equation, subtracting entire position by minus 2 square, 4 square and so on. So adding 2 square, 4 square, 2m minus 2 whole square, 2m square, underline part section, entire adding this term, there is no change there, subtracting them. So 2 into 1 square plus 2 square, sum of, this is the sum of first squares. Sum of first square formula is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. Put n in 2m. So sum of 2m squares. So 2m into 2m plus 1 into 2 into 2m, 4m plus 1 by 6. This is first sum of squares. Finish. Minus 2 square common. 1 square plus 2 square plus and so on. M square. Now 2 into 2m into 2m plus 1 and 4m plus 1 by 6 minus 2 square 4. The sum of first squares m into m plus 1 into 2m plus 1 by 6, 2m plus 1 by 6. Okay. So common LCM is, entire LCM is 6. Common then, entire common then 2m plus 1, 2m plus 1 and 2m plus 1 and m. So 2 by 6 into 2m plus 1 and 2m plus 1 and m into 2m plus 1. Okay. So remaining parts 2 into 4m plus 1, 2 into 4m plus 1 and minus 4 into m into 2m plus 1 minus 4 into m plus 1. Okay, simple way level. 2 by 6, 2m plus 1 by 6. Okay, 8m plus 2 minus 4m minus 4. So that means 2m into 2m plus 1 into 8m minus 4m. 4m minus 2 by 6. So finally 2m into 2m plus 1 into 4m minus 2. Now this summation a square is substitute in row. You get the row is minus 1. Once again I repeat this. If n is even, so taking n is 2m. So 2m means subtracting the divisions. Then play in the 2m minus 1. The deviations are 2m minus 1. Substitute 2m minus 1 minus 2, 2m minus 3, and so on. These are all odd numbers general forms. So 2m minus 1, 2m minus 3, and so on. 3, 1, minus 1, minus 3, minus section, positive section, negative section. Squares repeat twice again. So missing terms, 1 square plus b square, not continually. So adding 2 square, adding 4 square, adding 6 square, and so on. Complete even squares. This is complete even part. So adding and subtracting. There is no change in the equation. Now this is the square of first 2m terms. So m into 2m into m plus 1 into 2m plus 1, n into n plus 1 into 2m plus 1 by 6. So substitute m plus 2m. 2m into 2m plus 1, 4m plus 1 by 6 minus 2 square, sum of squares m into m plus 1, 2m plus 1 by 6. Entire common with 2m plus 1 and m also common by 6. So remaining parts 2 into 4m plus 1 minus 4. Already common with m into 2m plus 1. So only m plus 1. So 2m plus 1 by 6. 8m plus 2 minus 4m minus 4. So 8m minus 4m, 4m minus 2 by 6. This is summation dx. Now calculate rho. Rho is equal to n into, put n is equal to 6 into 2m, 2m plus 1 2m minus 1, 2 common there, by 6 by n, 2m n square, 2m whole square minus 1. So 1 minus 2m, 2m plus 1 into 2m minus 1 by 2m into, and again 2m square into 2 into 2, 2m a square minus b square, 2m plus 1, 2m minus 1, 2m cancel, 2m plus 2m minus 1, 1 minus 2, 1 minus 2 is, so row gives minus, so row gives, so 1 minus 2, so row gives minus 1, so this is 2 from 1 and 2, from 1 and 2, row lies between minus 1, minus 1. Therefore, from case 1 and case 2, row lies between minus 1 and plus 1. Therefore, minus 1 less than or equal to, row less than or equal to 1. This is the important limits of Spearman's rank correlation coefficient. So, today class, very important class, limits of Spearman's rank correlation coefficient. The important derivation also, because row lies between minus 1 and plus 1, row exactly plus 1. X comma y variables are positively related, positively correlated. Row gives minus 1. X comma y were negatively correlated. Row gives 0. That means there is no related variables. That is uncorrelated variables. So this is the most important topic. Once again repeat this. So rho is equal to 1 minus 6 into summation d square n square minus 1. Substituting in this formula, put summation d square and n value 2m whole square minus 1 square. So entire value is gives rho is equal to minus 1. So from 1 and 2 we get rho value minus 1. Odd time, even. If n is odd, if n is even, we get rho value exactly equal to minus 1. So from case 1, rho is maximum, summation d square is minimum. We already discussed this point. So rho exactly starting 1. In case from there are two cases, rho is equal to minus 1. From 1 and 2, rho gives minus 1 and plus 1. So rho lies between minus 1 and plus 1. So this is the most important topic of limits of Spearman's rank correlation coefficient. Thank you.